Learn Hindi emergency phrases. I need help too.
मुझे मदद चाहिए.
Welcome to Survival Hindi. Hey, you are about to learn some very useful Hindi fast, and yes, we will keep it calm, clear, and a little funny. These phrases are serious, but your practice does not have to sound like a robot with a headache. Today you will learn 5 key emergency phrases in Hindi. They are, I need help.
मुझे मदद चाहिए.
Can you call a doctor?
क्या आप डॉक्टर को बुला सकते हैं?
It is an emergency.
यह एक आपातकाल है.
I am injured.
मैं घायल हूँ.
I do not feel well.
मैं अच्छा महसूस नहीं कर रही हूँ.
The tiny drama at the market. Imagine this scene with me. You are at a busy market, someone drops mangoes, someone drops dignity, and suddenly you need real words. You look worried and say,
मुझे मदद चाहिए.
A kind shopkeeper runs over. You point to a person on the ground and say,
यह एक आपातकाल है.
Then you ask,
क्या आप डॉक्टर को बुला सकते हैं?
The injured person slowly says.
मैं घायल हूँ.
Another person sits down, looks pale, and whispers.
मैं अच्छा महसूस नहीं कर रही हूँ.
Congratulations, you just survived a dramatic language lesson with fruit. Phrase by phrase. Now let us slow it down. You do not need to memorize everything in one heroic breath. I need help becomes.
मुझे मदद चाहिए.
Think, mujhe, to me, madad, help, chahi, needed. Can you call a doctor? Becomes.
क्या आप डॉक्टर को बुला सकते हैं?
This is a polite question you can use with strangers. It is an emergency becomes.
यह एक आपातकाल है.
The key word is
आपातकाल.
emergency. I am injured becomes.
मैं घायल हूँ.
Point to yourself when you say it. I do not feel well becomes.
मैं अच्छा महसूस नहीं कर रही हूँ.
Use.
रहा.
Or.
रही.
Depending on the speaker. Say it like you mean it. Repeat after me like a confident movie hero, not like a sleepy microwave. Leave a little pause and say each phrase aloud. I need help.
मुझे मदद चाहिए.
Can you call a doctor?
क्या आप डॉक्टर को बुला सकते हैं?
It is an emergency.
यह एक आपातकाल है.
I am injured.
मैं घायल हूँ.
I do not feel well.
मैं अच्छा महसूस नहीं कर रही हूँ.
Mini dialogue with maximum drama. Let us turn the phrases into a short dialogue. You listen once, then imagine yourself speaking the Hindi lines. A. Are you okay? B.
मुझे मदद चाहिए.
A. What happened? B.
मैं घायल हूँ.
A. Is it serious? B.
यह एक आपातकाल है.
A. What should I do? B.
क्या आप डॉक्टर को बुला सकते हैं?
A. And how do you feel? B.
मैं अच्छा महसूस नहीं कर रही हूँ.
Memory tricks that are slightly ridiculous. A weird image can help a word stick. So yes, we are now inviting absurdity to the lesson. Picture a cat in glasses at a computer meowing.
मुझे मदद चाहिए.
Because it forgot its password. Imagine a giant phone running through the street shouting.
क्या आप डॉक्टर को बुला सकते हैं?
See flashing red lights across the sky with.
यह एक आपातकाल है.
Picture a superhero slipping on a banana peel and declaring.
मैं घायल हूँ.
With unnecessary dignity. Imagine someone at a party, surrounded by confetti, quietly saying.
मैं अच्छा महसूस नहीं कर रही हूँ.
Because the cake was a mistake. Quick quiz. Time for a tiny challenge. I ask in English, you answer in Hindi before I do. How do you say, I need help?
मुझे मदद चाहिए.
How do you say, can you call a doctor?
क्या आप डॉक्टर को बुला सकते हैं?
How do you say, it is an emergency?
यह एक आपातकाल है.
How do you say, I am injured?
मैं घायल हूँ.
How do you say, I do not feel well?
मैं अच्छा महसूस नहीं कर रही हूँ.
Your final challenge. Now you are going to handle the whole scene yourself. Nice and steady. You see someone who needs urgent care. First, say.
यह एक आपातकाल है.
Then ask for help.
मुझे मदद चाहिए.
Then ask someone nearby.
क्या आप डॉक्टर को बुला सकते हैं?
If you are hurt, say.
मैं घायल हूँ.
If you feel sick, say.
मैं अच्छा महसूस नहीं कर रही हूँ.
Friendly conclusion. You did great today. Seriously, your Hindi is already more useful than the average action movie side character. Thank you for learning with me. Practice these Hindi emergency phrases again out loud.
मुझे मदद चाहिए. क्या आप डॉक्टर को बुला सकते हैं? यह एक आपातकाल है. मैं घायल हूँ. मैं अच्छा महसूस नहीं कर रही हूँ.
Keep practicing, stay calm, and come back anytime for more English to Hindi learning.